How to remove Instagram accounts from Facebook. So the step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. After you open your phone, go and open your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook app, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Now tap on this settings at the top. After you open settings, now tap on this see more in account center. Now tap on this, as you can see in profiles, tap on it. So here you can be able to see all your Facebook and your Instagram. As you can see, here is my Instagram and here is my Facebook. So now to remove the Instagram account from Facebook, tap on this back arrow to go back. So after you come to this section, after you come back, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says accounts, this one. So under this account, as you can see now, here is my Instagram, now here is my Facebook. So to remove the Instagram, tap on this remove button. It will remove your Instagram from Facebook. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.